Hello, it's Doc for Ready Set Crypto with your 1-minute market report for Sunday, May 19th. I wanted to cut a really quick video today before we hop across the pond and invade the United Kingdom. I see a lot of people out there predicting where the price of Bitcoin will slam into a brick wall based on some level of overhead supply that creates resistance, where sellers will overwhelm the buyers and push price down. First, what is overhead supply, and then how does it get created? Overhead supply is a price level where sell orders completely overwhelm the buy orders, and price usually has nowhere to go but down until a balance between buyers and sellers is achieved. Overhead supply can be created from abandoned longs who entered right before the plunge. With the pain that they experience on the crash, they swear that if and when the price ever gets back to their entry point, they will close out the position at break even again just to get whole again on their account and ease their pain. They've had enough fun, they just want their money back. So the idea is that they leave a pile of good till canceled sell orders just hanging out there that's impossible to absorb, so the price pulls back. Now, I could see this happening if the price just jumped 5% and then pulls straight back. I could see people selling out at that point and utilizing that as overhead supply. But are you expecting me to believe that these people are still selling out 6 months later? Are there really people that bought in at 7,400 and 8,400 that are just now exercising these good till cancel orders? They just want their money back now so they can buy mutual funds again? I don't think so. Look, the recent explosion through 6,400 should have taught us something. Everybody expected the price to come to a complete and utter halt right there. The thing here is that retail investors have a very long memory on painful events, but the market itself has a very short memory and only discounts price going forward. I would go so far as to say that the current market really doesn't care about what happened 6 to 9 months ago. Although we seem to think that the past is important because it's the only tangible evidence that many of us have to work with. So my rant for today is to tell you to forget about these pivot levels that seem to be so important from last year. Just forget about them. And stop assuming that the price is going to come to a grinding halt right at these levels because of overhead supply. It's not going to happen. The market is forward-looking and no longer cares about our 2018 price levels. Do you? Learn to examine supply and demand and then analyze support and resistance on the charts through forward price action, not something that it doesn't care about in the past. So what do you think? Do you see overhead supply and sellers waiting to pounce, or do you see something else? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next 1-minute market here at Ready Set Crypto.